Good evening, our wonderful parent, or good afternoon, depending on the time that you are watching this. Yes, I want to show us how to install the school application. So just come to the school platform. So if you're on the school platform, you just click the app. When you click the app, it's going to bring up, do you want to install this app? You click install, you wait till it install. So as it is installing, it might be asking you different questions like this app is this app is bad. Just accept that you want it to be installed. Then you are going to open. So when you open, then it will take you to the school page. Then when you see this, then you are right on the school platform. So the next thing you do is you click the three dots here, three strokes. So when you click the three strokes here, to take you to, you have a lot of functions, different functions, but for this evening what we told them to do for this weekend is assessment. You click assessment here. When you click assessment, you click their class, you select the class, and you select the class. Just watch. This is how you're going to enter. Wò dáadáa, nǹkan tá a fi wọlé leléyìí, tí gbogbo class pátápátá nǹkan tá a fi wọlé leléyìí. And when you click enter, automatically it will bring up this. Then your child will enter the full name. Maybe it is Adebayo Adebayo Rebecca, for example, or Rebecca. Then the email, your child will use your own email, Adebayo Rebecca, or they've been given email or sort of in class. It may just be Adebayo, you understand, at gmail.com. Class. You enter with SS2, right? It's SS2. Okay, it's GS2. Click the GS2. Term, first term, subject, basic science and tech is for GS1, GS1, GS3. CRS is for, okay, national value is for GS1, GS1, GS3. English, you have the English also for GS1 to 3, and also maths GS1 to 3. So let's do basic tech. So the number of questions 50, the time is 50 minutes. 50 minutes. But if your child is just coming up on the platform, we can pick 30, you can pick 60 minutes for the child, you understand. Peradventure is a study time, you understand. But under a standard exam condition, you pick 40 minutes. So you start. Okay, to bring up an unauthorized class, that means I have choose a class that is a very wrong class. Okay, let me pick. Oh, sorry. Let me pick GS2. Let me type it this again. You see that I'm typing it together. I'm typing it together. I typed everything together. Okay, don't just mind me, so that your child can just have a very good time. I'm just using this as an example. We will pick GS2 the other time. It's just an example. As basic science and tech. BST 50. Let's use 10 minutes. Okay, the question is up. So from there, let me pick. Don't expect that I'm going to get something good, because I'm just picking anything. I'm just picking anything. There are cases that your child will experience something like this. Don't bother about that. It's called buffering error. Buffering error. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. The purpose of this is for our our children to have very good time. You understand? So if they are at home, they have something to do. Already you have bought your children phone and phone. That's why we say don't buy them phone. But now you have bought it. We can't say go and sell it again. You understand? So that is why we just encouraging our children so that at least what you have already given them, they should make judicious use of it. You understand? So it just be productive. I didn't say answer 37 out of 50. Well, let me just go with that. So immediately I submit. This is my first say, oh, I scored 41. I scored 14. So this just, you see the correction? Let them go through the correction. Let them go through the correction and practice it again. You understand? Let them go through it and practice it. Do you understand? So if there's any comment they want to make, then they can give us feedback. Thank you, and God be with you. Amen. Then they can take another assessment. Thank you.